everybody, this is Dr. Bob DeMaria with another episode of Ask Dr. Bob from Naples, Florida and Westlake, Ohio. Have you noticed recently when I travel, so many people are coughing, whether it be walking on airplanes, at the beach, at a store during the holiday season, they're just coughing. And I know that some of you are concerned, are these coughs contagious and can they spread unfriendly organisms to impact your body? And the answer is yes, they can. What I want to talk to you about briefly today is the difference between maybe a bacterial or a viral infection, because I know so many people are wanting to rush off to their healthcare provider and get some type of an antibiotic. This is what I'm going to encourage you to do. You really want a blood test called a CBC with a differential. And you want your healthcare provider or you to look at your neutrophils and your lymphocytes. Now, when your neutrophils are elevated, it usually suggests a bacterial infection. When the lymphocytes are elevated, it's more of a viral infection. If you have a chronic cough and your white blood count is low, you have a chronic issue. So let's talk about some of the reasons why you could have a cough. A dry cough is usually from parasites. I oftentimes will see, especially young children, maybe have a cough because of stress. There's a gland in your body called the adrenal gland. When individuals eat sugar, their adrenal glands are compromised and your body cannot make natural cortisone. So I may have a family that comes in that one or two issues could happen. If they're all eating sugar, their immune systems are compromised, and yes, they could be passing on unfriendly organisms to each other. It has a lot to do with your immune system being weak or strong. Sugar will cause your adrenal glands to become weak. I also have seen chronic coughs from people who consume orange juice and dairy. It compromises your body's ability and your overall function, and those lungs are irritated. I've seen wheat cause a chronic cough. You may consider having a FIT test. It's a food sensitivity test to see what your body in fact may be sensitive to. Here's another thought. There's a trace mineral called molybdenum. Molybdenum is found in fresh ground pepper. If I have individuals that come into the office and perfumes and fragrances cause them to cough and or sneeze, they may have a trace mineral deficiency called molybdenum. So Dr. Bob, what do I do if I have a chronic cough that won't go away? You may consider a CBC with a differential, and you may consider having the FIT test done to find out what foods your body may be sensitive to. You may even consider having a consultation so we could literally drill down to find the cause of your chronic